Good morning, children. Myself Poonam said, today I am going to teach you Chapter 7 Introduction to Paint. The topics which I am going to explain to you are as follows: MS Paint Program, how to open MS Paint using the drawing tools, and how to draw and color the pictures. Dear children, we can draw pictures on paper using pens, pencils, and colors. In the same way, these pictures can be drawn on a computer. Do you know what is Windows? As you start a computer, you can see the Windows desktop screen on the monitor. Windows is the software part of the computer. Do you know? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. are called hardware parts of the computer. You can touch and feel them. Windows is the software part. You cannot touch software. Children, I illustrate the meaning of hardware and software, which is given in this box, by giving some examples. As you can see, the human body, all the physical parts of our body as hands, face, legs, arms can be touched and seen. But we have brain which cannot be touched. It is called software. We cannot do any work without brain. So we can say that hardware and software depends on each other. One is useless without the other. One more example I have to explain the term hardware and software. Suppose we have CD player but we have not CD to play in it. Then it is useless because CD player is hardware as it can be touched and seen, and CD is called software. The songs or videos which are present in that CD cannot be played without putting it into CD drive. So CDs are software and CD player is hardware. Children, there can be many such examples like car is hardware, whereas petrol is software. As car cannot move without petrol, both depends on each other. So again we can say hardware and software depends on each other. One is useless without the other. Now, it is possible to draw and color pictures on computer using MS Paint. As I already told you that as on paper we can draw and color the pictures, in the same way we can draw and color the pictures on computer screen using MS Paint. So when we have to draw the pictures and color the pictures on the computer screen, then there is a need to start MS Paint on the computer. Children, we know that computer system is a multitasking device. It means we cannot do various tasks. Children, we know that computer system is a multitasking device. It means we can do various tasks using computers. So there is a need to start the particular program or particular software from desktop to do the desired work. If we have to work with MS Paint, then there is a need to start MS Paint on computer screen. Follow the steps given below to start MS Paint. Do you know MS Paint and MS Windows have been developed by a company called Microsoft. MS is the short form of Microsoft. So now these are the steps. By using these steps, we can start MS Paint on the computer screen. Step 1. Bring the mouse pointer to the Windows icon button. Step 2. Click the Windows icon button. Start menu appears. Step 3. Click the option All programs listed in the Start menu. A new submenu appears. Step 4. Click the Accessories option. Another submenu appears which contains Paint. Children, you can see the screen also. All the steps are mentioned here. Then step 5. Click the Paint option. The Paint windows appears. This is the last step to start up the MS Paint on the screen. After giving this step, we will find the following screen on the computer. This screen is called the MS Paint screen. Here, first of all, there is a Home tab, then Clipboard, Image group, Tool group, Drawing board. On the right side, Color group, Shape group. These are the tools which we need on MS Paint to draw the pictures and color them. First of all, I am going to explain Clipboard. Clipboard you can see in the screen. It is mentioned Clipboard. It contains various options like cut, copy and paste. Copy option is used to make a similar copy of text or picture created on the computer. Cut and paste option is used to cut and paste a copy of text or picture respectively on some other place or file. Children, by using these options, we can save our time and we can draw many more paintings on the computer screen in short time. Now, next topic is Image group. The image group contains commands to select an image and crop, resize, flip or rotate it. You will learn to use these commands in senior classes. Children, by using these commands as crop, we can crop the picture. Resize means after drawing the picture, we can resize it. We can make it large or small. Flip or rotate means we can rotate the picture in any direction on the screen. After drawing, we can do these things on the screen. Now, tools group. It consists of various tools like eraser, pencil, fill with color, color picker tool, text tool and magnifier. You can see the picture. These are mentioned in the circle. Pencil tool, eraser tool, fill with color, magnifier and brush tool. Now we have tools. These are the main tools which we use to draw the pictures and to fill the color in the pictures. First tool is eraser tool. It is used to erase the drawn figure you wish to remove. As on the paper, if we draw any picture and if we find anything wrong, then we erase it by using the eraser. In the same way, on the screen we have eraser tool. If we draw anything wrong, then we can erase it by using the eraser tool. Then we have pencil tool. It provides you pencil to draw pictures. Same as on the paper we use pencil to draw. In Paint, MS Paint also we have pencil. By using this pencil we can draw the pictures. Then text tool. It is used to write text in Paint. These are the tools. First pencil tool, eraser tools we use to draw the pictures. And if we want to write anything on the picture, as we are drawing any scenery and we want to add any text on our scenery, then we use the text tool. Next, fill with color tool. It is used to color in the circle, boxes, etc. which you draw using paint. When we draw any picture and if we want to color the picture, then we use this tool. The tool is filled with color. Then magnifier. It is used to zoom the text or picture in paint. As we have drawn any picture, we can make it enlarge on the screen. Then shapes group. It consists of different shapes. We can make pictures using these shapes. You can see in the pictures, so many shapes are given in the boxes. These are the fixed shapes. By using the pencil tool, as I have explained you, by using the pencil tool, we draw the pictures of our imagination. And when we have to draw, we need to draw some fixed shapes. We can take these shapes from this shape group. As so many shapes are given here, circle, square, rectangle, arrow shape, lines, triangle. So we can use these shapes to draw in our scenery. Now, color group. It consists of different colors which are used to color the pictures. This is called color palette. Children, you see the color palette in MS Paint screen. It is on the bottom of the MS Paint. This is called color palette. By using these colors, we can use any color. We can take any color from the color palette to fill in the drawn picture. Now, children, we have some more topics. How to draw in paint. And the remaining part of this lesson we will discuss in the next class. Today I am concluding this chapter here only. And the remaining part of this lesson and exercise work we will do in the next class. Thank you, children.